Hello, good day. I'm Anami Garcia, 30 years old, single from Agoncillo, Batangas, Philippines. I started my career as store selling supervisor for almost 3 years at Nursery Care Corporation at SM Department Store Supermalls, the Philippines' largest department store chain with several branches nationwide. As a store selling supervisor, it is my duty and responsibility to oversee sales staff, assign tasks, and prepare schedules, maintain inventory, order merchandise, and manage or reconcile cash receipts, respond to customer inquiries and complaints, and resolve issues. Monitor sales activities, prepare reports, and analyze performance is also my responsibility. I am also in charge for the training and hiring of new sales staff as well as their performance evaluation through time. I am also responsible to oversee and maintain the store display, um, signages, and cleanliness of the store throughout the day. Develop and implement marketing strategies. As I have been a store selling supervisor for 3 years, I have developed strong leadership skills. I am able to lead and motivate my team without being overbearing. My passion for providing exceptional customer service coupled with strong leadership and communication skills allow me to motivate and empower my team to deliver outstanding results, making me confident in ability to effectively oversee a store selling environment and achieve the company's goals.